Friends, today we are going to know how to make a poster. You have seen many posters in the market, but you don't know how to make a poster. Let's know, and the definition also we will know today. What is a poster making? Friends, you have seen many posters in the market, in the mobile phone, etc. You have seen also, and you have seen this is for the importance of that thing for buying and purchasing. A poster is to show the people the importance of that thing, and the poster making is to draw some picture and write some points of that topic. This poster making is for awareness of people. You have seen in the mobile also the poster COVID-19 sanitizing your hand, wear mask, etc. You have seen. Let's know today's topic. Today's topic is make a poster to be a plan in the library to inspire students to read more books. Let's start. Friends, you have to draw some pictures in the upper portion, and the down portion you have to write some points that the topic was given. Let's know the points that is written. If we read more books, it helps us to increases our vocabulary. We know new words from the book. Books never leave us alone. Reading books is a good habit. Books help us to know history of our country, moral stories, etc. These points are given. Friends, I have made this poster about the topic of books, and you can also make poster for any topic. Thank you.